Hello, my wonderful people. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Edward Amwako, and I'm your tutor for this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how to use Photoshop and for designing an amazing flyers. So this video is brought to you by Edis Graphic Design and Print. So I want you to please like, comment, and share. So let's get started.
We design the best of designs.
All right, you're welcome. Let's get started. So when you open your Photoshop for the first time, this is what you will see, and this is what we call the interface. The interface is the things that or the features that Photoshop has. I am using Photoshop 2021. Yes, so we have the updated version, which is Photoshop 2022. All right, so this can work out with any version of Photoshop that you have, but because I am going to use Photoshop 2021, it also works out in all the Photoshop. So let's get started. So on top of my Photoshop, I have the menu bars, which I have the file, I have the edit, the image, the layer, the type. So make sure yours is set over there. And then we also have the close button, the minimum, and then the rest. So that one you already have an idea about that. Then the two where you see the home, we have create new and then open. The first one, the create new, simply means that when you for instance, when you are about to design a new flyer like what you see in my recent over here. So when you want to design anything like this, so from the scratch, you come and use the create new. And then the open over here is what you use to open an existing document that you have worked on. For instance, I have designed this learn graphic design like ABCD. So I have to come to open if I want to come and then start with it. So I just have to use this open, or just come and pick any of the documents over here and then you start working with it. Then for in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how to create new. All right. So for you to be able to select a new paper or a new sheet, so you have to come to create new, click on it, and then it will take you to new document. All right. Over here you have save photo, print, art, animations. We are not going to look at that for in this tutorial. We are going to stick to recent. All right. So come to the right corner, we have what we call preset details. In preset details, that is where you use to set your design name. For instance, if I'm designing a church flyer, I have to type in flyer, church flyer. All right, church flyer. And then if I know the measurements, you have to know the measurements. Here over here we have the width and then the height. The width and the height. On the right, we have what we call the pixels. That is your unit. I can change the unit. Just click up the drop button over here, and then it gives you the chance to select any unit that you want to work in. You can pick inches, centimeters, millimeters, point, and then pixels. Only if you know what you are doing. For in this tutorial, we're going to look on use only pixels. All right. So for social media, like for instance, you want to use on your DP and your Instagram page. Yes, so we are going to use the 1080, the height to 1080. Now the orientation or the artboard that you see over here, don't even go there. We are not going to talk more about that in this tutorial. Your resolution, make sure it is 300. Make sure your pixels inch is there. Your color mode, you set it to RGB. Your 8-bit is there, your background color is white, and then your color profile, everything is like that here. Don't even come here at all. So when you are done with everything, then you click on create new, and then your Photoshop will open. This is a new document. There is another way to also select or create new. So in your Photoshop like this. Come to your file. If you don't want to use the create new, come to your file, the edit where you see over here. You just have to use the first one, which is the file. Especially if you are using CS6, you come to file over here, you click on the file, we have new, we have open, and then these options will come. So for you to create a new document, use the new, click on the new, and then it will take you to this place where you have the ability to change the name, the units, the sizes, and everything. So when you are done, you click on create new, and then another new document will open. So in your Photoshop, you have like this. I have set my ruler. This thing that you see is the ruler. Control R, it will go. So when you set it, you open it, it will come like this, where you have your color, you see properties, you see layer, channels, path, everything over here. You also see your left corner, you see these things, all these things that you see are your tools that you are going to use. Okay, yes, these are your tools. So when I put even the cursor over there, it tells me what type of tool is that and how the tool is being used. Okay, so we are going to talk more on that in the next episode. Okay, how to use the tools effectively. So this episode is for selecting tools and also getting you to know your Photoshop interface. Okay, so in the next episode we talk about using these tools and how it works out. Okay, all right, so please don't forget to subscribe this channel in order to get update of any new videos that we upload. Thank you.